today we're going to draw a cute dolphin.
That's right, we're going to be drawing a really cute dolphin. And Summer, what are we going to use to draw our dolphin?
Sharpies.
Our Sharpies,
And paper.
our paper, and our colouring pens. We're going to be using our alcohol markers, but you can use whatever you prefer to colour with. You ready?
Yeah.
High five. Let's go. All right. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is draw a nice curve that comes from the side, goes round and back down. It's kind of like half of a heart. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start here. And we're going to go. There we go.
Stop here.
You can start at this side or you can start there, whichever side you prefer. Yeah, we can start there. You like to do your reference points.
And we
No,
stop
a
here.
little bit inside.
Stop
Yeah,
here.
about there. And you can go round this outside, back and down. Very good. That's really good. Well done. Good job. High five for that one. Super good line. All right. Next thing we're going to do is draw his nose. And his nose comes out a little bit and then down. So you can draw there, a little bit out and down.
Stop here.
Yeah, but you want to go out and then curve down to that line. So have a look. Very good. Nice. All right. Then we're going to draw a nice smile. And it's going to go just like that. It's going to go quite far into his head there because he's going to have a nice big smile like that. A little bit higher. A little higher. Maybe there. Try there. Very good. And then right at the end of this line, can you put a little line like that? And that's his smile. And then what we're going to do is draw our eye on top. Just one eye on this drawing. And we're going to draw a little bit like this. A little bit more inside, about there. Very good. Okay, and then we're going to draw a nice round circle on top of this one. Like that. Very good. And then on there, on the inside, we're going to draw another circle and we can color that in. Like that. Perfect. Color that one in. Very good. Okay, now what we're going to draw is his fin. And his fin is going to start over here and it's going to come out. So we're going to draw a line like this. Like that. So you can start here and just draw like a curvy line down to about here. A little bit inside. Yeah, about there. Yeah. And just curve it. Very good. And then what we're going to do is draw a little round bit at the bottom.
The fin, isn't it?
The fin, yes. So I want you to draw a line that goes up and in.
Here.
Yeah, watch what I do here. Like that. So you curved yours a little bit, but that's okay. You can draw like a little round bit here.
And where do we stop?
Here on that line.
Here. We stop here.
Yeah.
Or
Just draw a little curve.
here.
Yeah.
And where do we stop?
Over there. You can do it. Okay? Yeah. And then you can draw a line to here.
Here.
Yep. Good job. His fin is really tricky, but you did really good there. That's okay. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to draw his fin on the top. I think it's called a dorsal fin. And we're going to go like this. Kind of round it off. And then down. So you can draw a curve here.
We stop by here.
Yeah.
And we start by here.
Yeah. You really like your reference points. So again, you draw his fin. And then curve it, and then down. Very good. Great job. All right, now we want to draw hit the bottom side of his mouth. And it's going to go like this. It's going to go in. Like that. Kind of just follow underneath this line and then join it to about there.
Here.
Yep.
And we start here.
Yeah, so you can go a little curve at the bottom. Yeah, and then follow this line. And then towards that bottom one. Whoa! Maybe we can just draw a line over there.
Here.
Yeah. You can always look at mine to see what mine looks like. And then we're going to try drawing it back at the tail here. So we're going to draw a curve that comes down to there. So a line from here and it curves down towards the bottom of his tail there. So can you draw that arc for me?
Here.
Yep.
To here.
Yeah, but remember to curve it towards this line. Very good. Good try. Very good. You're trying to draw really quickly. It's really good. But we don't have to rush. We can take our time. And now we're going to draw the bottom fin. And we're going to draw a line that goes out like that. So curve out and in. Yeah. Very good. And then on the other side.
It looks like a bird.
Yeah, it's kind of like a mermaid's tail. If you think of a mermaid's tail, they look the same. And then we're going to draw a line in like that. It's a tricky tail. You got a funny one. But that's okay, you're doing a great job. And then back down. Very good, very good. All right, we got one more fin to do, and it's the fin on his other side. So we're just going to draw a line like this. And then a curve and up.
One here.
Yeah.
And then stop here.
You can draw it, let me see, I'm drawing. You can draw a line down and just over here.
Stop here.
Yep. Yep, and then back up. Very good, good job. And that is a dolphin done. Now we can get ready to color. That's right, we're going to be coloring now. We're going to fast forward through our coloring, but if you need more time, you can always pause and catch up to us. You ready to color? Good job. Osama, did you enjoy your drawing?
Yeah.
I think we've done some super cute dolphins. Do you like yours?
Yeah.
I like it too. It's a really tricky drawing, but you did such a good job. And we used our Posca pens to do some of the highlights to make our dolphin look nice and shiny like he's jumping out of the water. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
High five, you did an awesome job. Hope you all enjoyed that and followed along. Remember, if you like our drawings, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.